Yeah.
I wouldn't be standing alone tonight.
Yeah.
Oh!
And I landed it. There you go. See?
Yeah. We wandering off and shit, dog. Yeah. Finish my cup, then post some more. All across town, they're emotional. All they wanna know is what side you're on. Wouldn't be standing outside alone.
What's up, YouTube? Happy Tamiya Tuesday. Out here with the Tamiya man truck. It's the Reinhardt Racing. It's a TT-01E chassis. And got some scale wheels, or more scale. They're like a semi-truck racing wheel. They were really hard to glue though, as you can see, and they're more inset. They feel sticky. I think they're K-Force Racing. I'll look it up and I'll put it in the description, but I don't remember right now if they are or not. But like I was saying, they're smaller and they're more inset, so I'm not sure how great they're gonna handle, so we're gonna take it easy. A little bumpy out here. I went to go run in my normal spot, but there was a lot of cars and debris. Speaking of cars, I'm over here at the fairgrounds. Here's where they hold the flea markets and the races. There's a racetrack. They do rodeos, racetracks, and flea markets here, and car shows. Break these tires in. Whoa, it's bumpy over here. It's pretty loose with these wheels. Turn the punch up, seems a little bit faster. But these wheels, they're just kind of too small, it seems. The inset's they're a little small and they're a little more narrow, and they feel sticky though. Let me see if I can show you what they look like. So they're directionals. Oh, nice rock. Directional, they're sticky, they're just kind of small. Kind of bumpy out here. Don't sound like I unglued a tire.